how to add your own custom music to Instagram story. So first, let's create a story. Click on this plus icon and then just scroll right here until you can see this option for story. So for example, let's just create in here a text. Now click on next and then you should be able to see this. So we now have this music icon or this note right here on the upper corner. Just head over and then click on this music right here. Now you can search for some music that you can actually use. However, if you want your own custom music, you will actually need to upload it to Instagram. Another option that you can do is to open any editing application, like for example, CapCut. So let's head over to our Play Store and actually try searching in here for CapCut. Now, once on your CapCut, you can head over and then install this particular application, and then you can edit out your actual story, which can be a picture, video, and then add your own music on this, and then export it, and then add it to your Instagram story. So that's how you add your own custom music to Instagram story. Hope we helped.